Good morning guys, today is our last day here in Plovdiv. We've come to Metro to do some shopping. This shop is like the equivalent of, I don't know, it's got everything in one. I look really greasy. I've got my gym clothes on and I look like a child. Yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. The aisles are for literally everything. Car products, cleaning products, food, clothes, shoes, literally everything. So far we've got fluffy blanket, which we used to have in the UK, but it went somewhere. And now we found a replacement and it's amazing. The cheese aisle to get some Bulgarian cheese for our colleague Joe. Don't know which one to go for because there's so many. Done the shopping, we're back in the car. We've come to wash it in this place. Costs about £2-3. So the pipe is like literally above us and then it's high pressured. I'm gonna sit in the car and watch it because, you know, it's so much fun. As a child you've always wanted to sit in a car that's being washed. I don't know what that says, but this guy is going like put in the right amount of coin, press the right button and stop. The car is so dirty, I have no idea. Look. We should have these in the UK, like little car washing pods. Obviously, look, it only costs 2 leva, which is like £1. And look, it's going down, the money's going down. So it's up to you however long you take. And the car's gonna be nice and clean, yeah! Here. You blast it, and again. Oh yeah! Doing the wheels. Wheels are dirty. He's got 179 left. You have to put some more money in. Yeah, come on, clean that. Clean. Woo. Oh yeah. So clean, so satisfying. Oh yeah. I'm doing the water. And it costs 154. Look. You're so annoying, Gia. My voice is annoying. Where is he? Oh, he's still over there. Look. Where is he? Can't see him. What's up? You wanna go? You're gonna go right now. Where'd you go? Hey, there you go. Oh, let's go. Oh, by the way, we're gonna get Domino's after this. I am starving. My back's hurting a lot. And we got ice cream, so we're gonna have Domino's and ice cream. And the plan was from this holiday to go back like skinny and brown, but that's not right, like happening right now. It's almost finishing. Look, it's gonna stop. Finished. What's he gonna do now? We're gonna dry it. Have you seen? He makes this face when he's concentrating. It's like constipated face. No, he's not making it right now, but maybe he will. Will he? I don't know. Shiny it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. A diet of pizza. Well, we got these magnets, so every time we forget to have a pizza, we'll be like, Domino's. But these nuts. I mean, lunch Domino's and Key and Peele. These nuts.
These nuts will be more than happy to rest against your chin.
We finished eating the pizza like a long time ago. It's now like 6:45. Look at the view outside, it's so beautiful. They have like double glazed windows and then there's this net here which you can open and that stops the flies from coming inside. And also guys, look at this skirt that Madre has made for me. It's so pretty. I look pregnant but I'm not. The skirt is so beautiful. It like comes, it's a bit high waisted. I'm not going to show you the stomach because it is fat. And also we've done all of our packing. This is all the shit that we're taking with us, plus another suitcase. That big ass one is mine, that's also mine. This one we're going to keep like in the car in the seats. It's got like our basic stuff that we're going to use overnight. That's the husband's laptop bag, my laptop camera bag, and then handbags, and the pillows I'm going to sit on. And then we've got the junk that we need to take with us as well. I'm feeling so sleepy. I might update a video, upload it, and then maybe take a quick nap, have a shower, and go to sleep. Some of his family members have just arrived, so I've had to get ready like on the spot. I was kind of sleeping when he came. So I've got this gown on, I've got this top, I've got this skirt on, and I still look like a 12-year-old. Wish me luck. Oh, I'm so anxious meeting new people. Oh.